Hi friends, welcome to Code with SONI. There are many programming languages which we are used to meet our requirement. But today we are going to start an interesting language that is Python. If you don't familiar about the Python, then watch the full video to get complete understanding about it. Basically, Python is an interpreted object-oriented high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Its high-level built-in data structure combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding make it very attractive for rapid application development. Let's start with an code example to understand it. Here I'm using Python version 3 which has already installed in my computer, and using PyCharm compiler software we code it. Okay, I'm going to show you examples of simple program like hello world, strings and its functions, and how you get data from user. Let's get started. For a simplest program in any language, we use a start with hello world. Print. Just like C and C++, there are syntax of Python also. I write a print command with double quotes, hello world. That's it. No need to add a terminator or semicolon. Now here is a run symbol, or there is also a run command. Okay, this is a console of Python that which command or which words you have been typed in double quotes will print over here. Like other than hello world, if I write today I am going to code in Python. Now press the bell symbol, press the bell play button. Today I am going to code in Python. It's good. Now try another thing. Hi world. Python is easy to use. That's it. Play or run. Hi world, Python is easy to use. Now this is the simplest program of hello world. Now come on strings. String is a data type like int, float, double, as discussed in C programming, C++, and so on. In strings, we can write combination of characters or letters, etc. For example, here I am taking a variable name. Alright, now in double quotes, I write my name SONI. Alright, note that a string will be written in double quotes. Okay, now I am going to print my name. Print my name is alright plus and the variable that I have used to get my name. It's done. Now run the program. My name is SONI. Alright, now I'm going to perform the functions on string. Like here is a name that is symbol and SONI is a value which is assigned to name. Okay, now I want to get an output where my all string characters will be converted into lowercase. For that, print name that I have used before dot lower. I called a function of lower over here. Now it's done. Do you see? All characters are converted into lowercase. Now for uppercase, same is a thing. Name dot upper. Do you see? All characters are converted into upper. Okay, as discussed before, a Boolean operators. They also work in Python. They return a value either true or false. If I want to check that either my lowercase print exactly the same result that I want, then it will give me the value either true or false. Let's check it. Print name dot upper dot is upper. Okay, yes, true. Just because when compiler compile each of the line and after compiling fourth line, it has now familiar that the name has been converted into uppercase. Then when I applied a check on it, okay, when I applied a check on it, it has given me the value true. Okay, for example, I erased that line. Then check it, what will happen? It again gave me the same value. Why? Because I have applied the uppercase function. That's why on fifth line, when it has converted the name into uppercase and then check that either the function has converted the letters into uppercase, then print the value that is true. Okay, it's done. Now I am erasing all these lines. Okay, to determine the length of a string, let's say take country. this is a variable called country, and I am going to print in mm, let's take another variable, character. Alright, now in this character I am going to write keyboard, or you may take any random string. Now I am going to determine the length. How can I determine the length? Let's see it. Print len, len. Alright, and now round brackets. Here I am going to write character, because in character I have assigned the string to it. Run the program. 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, it has given me the length of my character. Now if I want to print any of the letter, okay, any of the letter of keyboard, then how it can be? Like print character with square brackets. Now I want to 0 1 2 2. Why? Alright, K is in a position of 0, E is in a position of 1, and Y is in a position of 2. Here Y has been printed. Okay, if I want to replace keyboard from mouse, print character dot replace. First you have to enter the same string, keyboard, alright, comma. Now I have to replace it with mouse. It's simple. Mouse. Alright. Now these are the functions that I have been applied on my string. The other thing I want to show, how to get input or how to get data from user. Let's check it. I want to take data from user, for example name equal. There is a variable equality sign input. I am going to write a sentence like enter your name. Print hello plus name. That's it. Here the console wants to enter your name. I'm entering my name SONI. Press enter. Hello SONI. Alright. Okay, this is so congested. If I am adding a colon. SONI. This looks very appropriate. I hope this video is helpful for you. Then like it and share the video with your friends. For any query, please comment below and watch other videos also. Thanks for watching.